We are already in the second half of the year, and if you haven't achieved any tangible thing in the previous month, this is an assurance that you can still get something in the remaining months of the year. So follow through this tutorial and ensure that you pick just one in the investment opportunity I am about to mention in this tutorial. You know I'm a lover of picking just one niche, just one services, just one investment and run with it. So ensure you watch this video to the end. Do not miss any part of this video at all, and let me know in the comment section which one of this investment you want to begin, so we can work together as a community to ensure that every one of us meet up to our goals and make 2025 a memorable year for us. And if you are just seeing my video for the first time, I'm a top personal brand coach and we talk everything money making, entrepreneurship and wealth creation. And if this is what you love, ensure you subscribe to this channel, like and you share. Okay, number one investment opportunity you should be diving into in the remaining months of the year, number one is real estate investment. Real estate investment right now is meeting money. Whether you are a woman, you are a man, you are a student, a stay-at-home mom, a 9 to 5 worker, you can invest on real estate. And the amazing thing is that you don't need to have the houses or the lands. No, you only need to partner with a real estate developer. When you partner with a real estate developer, you are given a commission depending on how you meet up with tasks, depending on how you meet up with the goals. You just need to set a target for yourself that in this month I should be able to bring 1 or 2 clients, and when you bring the 1 or 2 clients, you are paid a percentage depending on the housing price or the land price. If you are in Africa, you earn from it. So decide within yourself which one you want to begin. Out of this list I'm going to share with you, number one is real estate. So be consistent in it, be intentional in it, and ensure you get something out in the remaining months of this year. Number two is building a personal brand and start monetizing what you know. You know yourself. What do you know as a professional? As a student, what do you know? As a stay-at-home mom, what do you know that you can build a personal brand on and start monetizing that thing you know? Because we are in the digital age right now. You don't need to give out what you know for free. Come to the online space, your social media handle, your Facebook, your Instagram, your TikTok, even here on YouTube, and start monetizing what you know, just as what I am doing now. I am sharing my knowledge with you. That is monetizing. On Facebook, I monetize my knowledge. On YouTube, here I am also monetizing my knowledge, because when YouTube starts paying me soon, I will start earning just by sharing my knowledge with my audience. So what do you know as a fashion designer, as a hairstylist, as a professional in the healthcare, professional in relationship, in marriage, a shoe cobra? What do you know that you can teach to others? And sometimes you might not necessarily be skilled or be a professional or be experienced in 1 or 2 things. You might be into business. So which business of yours do you want to bring in to the online space and start monetizing? Because the truth is that there are clients waiting for you, just for you to be visible, so they can pay you for that business that you are doing, so they can pay you for that knowledge that you have, so they can pay you for that experience you have gained. So there are people waiting for you. You just need to build your own personal brand and start sharing what you know. Okay, number 3 is to become a content creator. As a content creator, you can decide that you want to start creating written content or creating video content. You choose the platforms that you want to leverage on, and in most cases I advise that you start with 2 or 3 platforms that aligns with you, that you love this platform so well. Start with any of these 3 platforms and start monetizing and start creating content, either written content or video content. Start sharing it on your page. If that you want to start sharing your knowledge, sharing your skill, so you share it through video content or written content. If yours is that is about your business that you want to be writing on, why not do it? And before you know it, from now to 6 months, which is to the end of this year 2025, you start building audiences that like you, that love you, that want to do business with you. Business as a brand, business with you just as a content creator. And number 4 investment is affiliate marketing. As an affiliate marketer, you don't need to have any products or any services at all. You need to partner with those who have products, who have services, and volunteer that you will start marketing that product of theirs, that services of theirs. You don't need to stress yourself in creating any products or in creating any services. Just partner with companies, with organizations that offer affiliate products, and decide that you want to help out in marketing their products for them. And before you know it, and ensure you build a personal brand around it. Do not forget, because when you do, you start meeting the money so fast. And the last but not the least, which is number 5, is to start creating digital products. This time around, you are skilled, you are an expertise, you are experienced. Start creating digital products, digital courses, ebooks, books around that knowledge of yours. Create it and market it vigorously to those who are interested in that knowledge that you share, to those who are interested in that business, in that skills that you have gained experience in. And before you know it, from now till 2025, you have built your personal brand, you have built an audiences that like you and what you do. So let me know in the comment section which one of these 5 investments you are going into. Do not forget, pick just one and dedicate your attention, focus on it, be consistent, and before you know it, from now till 6 months, we are in June right now, from now till December, you are making your money. Okay, if you like this video, kindly do well to like it, do well to subscribe to this channel and share. Okay, thank you and bye bye. See you in my next video.